Hey guys, happy Sunday and welcome to another webinar. So this webinar is going to be kind of short because I've already pre-analyzed the market and I'm just going to give you an insight to what I found, right? So I've spoken to some of the members on the site. Some didn't find, any trades. And when I look into it, I can actually see that, look, they are quite very rare opportunity because it's the start of the year, everything is a bit slow, but you have to stay patient. Now, that being said, the asset I looked towards was CHF. So I found that in CHF, right? Oh, by the way, this is not a signal, and this is for educational use only. I'm not, saying you should take any trade from this. This is just my own personal perspective towards the market. So do with what you want, the information that you receive here, but I'm not liable basically for any losses that you make. Now, from what I can see, if you're new to this, welcome. What we do is we have a three-strategy system. It's called COT. We have the probability, we have the seasonality. If you don't know about those three, then you want to hop on the website first to get a quite insight. We have a free membership going out right now. So if you hop on the website, business.dmempire.co.uk, you will see the website at the end of let's go. So if you go to this website right here, business.dmempire.co.uk, you'll be able to see more about this strategy and understand why I'm doing or saying what I'm saying right now. So the first thing is we looked at the CHF, right? And I see commercials are putting 1,561 new positions into the market. So for me, that's already a green flag saying, yep, these guys, the new changes, they're adding more position into the market. So the next thing I did was, I went to seasonality. So, right, so people don't understand how the strategy works. So you go to seasonality and you check if seasonality is in alignment. The CHF seasonality is in alignment with the probability at the moment. So if that's in alignment, then that's good. We can then use that and say, let's move to the next step, which is let's see if our probability tool is going to sway that way as well. Yeah, apologies about this, by the way. The internet's quite slow here, so this is what I'm managing and doing with at the moment. Yeah, if it doesn't show up anytime soon, oh, there we go. Come on. Let's go, baby. All right. So since we're looking at CHF at the moment, let's get to the CHF. I'm still loaded. All right. Let's get quickly to the CHF seasonality. For that same. No, while that load, what we can do is we can skip a step and start looking at the probability, right? So I've loaded up some of the probability, so we should have the data here. So what I can see now is in January, right? We know that CHF is going short, so Euro CHF has to be long. And right, and the week starts tomorrow, literally, and not the week, I mean trading day starts tomorrow, which is the 22nd. Now, if you look at that, it's saying Euro is gonna go short, but we have long on the 24th, 25th, 26th, which is looking very good for us. And we have that up until the 29th, right? Now let's see if this loaded yet. This is still, battling yourself. Give it a minute. Oh, okay, here we go. So on the seasonality, what I can see is this. All right. On the 24th, at the top right here, we can see an alignment, right? Let me see if it does. 24th, we see that drop coming in all the way till 29, right? So if we look at that, Euro CHF, we got that 24th going long, 25th long, 26th long, and 29th long. You get that? So Euro CHF is a possibility, right? And probability tool helps us show this. So we know the drill, we're looking for 24th, right? We see the same thing in USD CHF, 24th long, 25th, 26th, 29th long, right? So we go to the next one, which is 24th, 25th, 26th is a 50-50. But if you're brave enough, you can ride it all the way to 29, right? And GBP 24th, you can see all the way to 29. What we have there, that looks good. And then let's see ABCHF. We got that 24th all the way till 26th. So exit is 26. So I've done that analysis for you and I've categorized them by risk because I looked at the chart as well to see which one of them is literally the ideal on the CHF level. And I found these five. So you got a high risk, you go medium risk, you go high risk, you go acceptable. Acceptable doesn't mean they're not high or medium risk. It's just that I can accept the level of risk the way it looks because price seems to be doing what I've expected it to do so far. So I can accept that risk. You know, when you're trading or when you're investing or when you're doing whatever you're doing with the market, there is a level of risk that comes with it. So you have to have a risk category. And for those that know, you know, your next tool on the technical side is just your ATR. And then use whatever indicator you want to use to take your trade. It doesn't really matter, to be honest, after this point. You know, just get your ATR calculations right. If you get that right, you're good to go. And if you don't know the calculations, this is the time you join the Telegram group. So you'll be able to understand. I'll share some links there for you guys. So we'll be able to go through that and be able to learn about these stuff. I do have a free educational program going on at the moment. So it's on Telegram as well. You can tune in on Telegram and see that. So that's all I have for you guys today. I see the, CHF. And these are all the assets that are in alignment at the moment. So gold, USD, GBP, and everything. But it doesn't mean they're aligned on seasonality or they're aligned on probability. You have to check that yourself. So that's how it is, guys. I'll catch you on the next one. Stay dangerous and make some more money, man. Let's get it.